Hey barbecue friend, welcome to our Churrasqueadas channel. I am José Almiro, and today we are going to barbecue T-bone. T-bone with fresh herbs olive oil. Look at that, friends. T-bone is a very nice cut. It is a T-shaped cut. Look, this is a T-shaped cut. On this side here is the filet mignon, and this is the ribeye. That's why you call it, when you buy it in Brazil, the name is contrafilé, okay? In many parts of Brazil, many places call it chuleta, chuletão. Now, this steak is a little different. It's much thinner and it doesn't have the filet mignon with it. Over there in Tuscany, Italy, it's called bistecca fiorentina. Look how beautiful. To make it even better, we are going to use coarse salt barbecue. It helps your seasoning, and there's something else about this agisol. It enhances the flavor of your foods. You who are watching us there, you there following this recipe, go there on YouTube, subscribe. You will get a warning when we have new recipes. Very cool, huh? But let's stop chatting. Where should this T-bone go? To the grill. Whoa, that sweet sizzling sound. We are going to leave it here, medium temperature, searing the fat. Then we are going to turn this baby over. High temperature, okay? After searing the fat, what are we going to do? Now we are going to turn them. Look. That sweet sizzling sound, that's beautiful. Check it out. Let's leave them here some more minutes. In a while, we will turn them around again. Let's prepare our olive oil with fresh herbs. Check out the fresh herbs we are going to use. We are going to use salvia, and we are going to use it barbecue style. So we used salvia, now basil. Basil, whoa. It has a fresh aroma too. Hide your nails like this, look. And let's go. Smells good in here. You will use cayenne pepper to prepare our olive oil with fresh herbs, right? So we are going to cut them in strips here. We will cut it very tiny like that pleasant way. Guys, don't get mad at me. The chef's there, because doing this is a pleasure. A bunch of rosemary too. Chop the rosemary, goes straight there. Whoa, rosemary is very tasty too. Smells very fresh. Lots of olive oil. You have to add a nice amount of oil, a bit of salt. This one comes with pepper already, check it out. Finished mixing our olive oil with fresh herbs here. Let's turn our T-bone over there. The T-bone is bloody. Isn't it bloody? Time to turn. That sweet sizzling again. Beautiful. Check out that baby. Now we are going to spread some olive oil with fresh herbs on top of it. So look at that. Wonderful. How beautiful. Whoa. How tasty is that T-bone? Our T-bone was here for 10 minutes in one side, now 5 on the other side. Then, that hard job of mine. And it smells delicious here. Now let's be careful, let's handle that baby with care. Let's see how our T-bone with fresh herbs tastes. This side here is the filet mignon. This side here is the ribeye. That's why it's called T-bone, T-shape. But there's still a lot of meat in here. Don't waste it. After, we are going to be back for you. Let's check this baby out. Smells delicious, beautiful. Olive oil with fresh herbs. You see? Good. Very good. Prepare it. T-bone with fresh herbs, provincials. A damn lie that turned into a recording lamp. I don't even know what I wanted to say. Very well, it's seasoned. You watching us there in... No, that's not what I want to talk about. We are enjoying Click. She's the one who likes it. I gasped. Right now, come on. Not now. Well, how beautiful, how beautiful. And Gugu hit my spoon. It was too good, people. Please, no. No, please. Then Marcel edits.